Hey, what's up, G's? Today, a bit of a small achievement, getting the MOT done for DK. Here's a new shiny MOT. Show him, Duke. See, with us, every car passes the MOT because we know our shit. Before you go and do the MOT, check your brake pads, check your oil level, check your water level,
check your tires.
Check your tires, make sure there is at least 2mm legal limit on there, and you pass with no probs. Only a Muppet will go and fail the MOT. Oh yeah, check all the lights, make sure all the bulbs work. And while we're on the subject of lights, while we're waiting for the MOT, we've noticed that these lights light up, but also on the E65, these lights should light up. So we're just investigating whether it's the connection or the actual lights are fucked. To do this, you need to take the strip off. It's not held by any bolts or anything, held by these clips. So you just need a flathead screwdriver. Take it all off. You need to yank it quite hard to release it from it's these bits that hold it on basically. And you need to, that's it.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! And it's off.
Just make sure you don't break any clip that's remaining on there.
Yeah, but this hasn't helped us much, because how the fuck are we gonna get in there now? If you're a Muppet like us and haven't got the special tools, you can also improvise. So for example, get one of these sockets, whack it on a screwdriver, and then you can take your light out. Hopefully. Now you need a bigger screw. Or don't be a Muppet like us and use proper tools. And just unscrew your lights and take them out. Right, the bit responsible for your LED lights on the E65 at the back is this connection. Now sometimes the connection pops out, so make sure that it's on. So then, to hook it back on and see if anything happens. So now our side lights are on. Yep, and this light is on, so the other one should be like that. And it isn't, so we know that it's fucked.
Pando, kill the beat.
Right, the lights are off, and I think I've noticed maybe why that LED light here is a bit temperamental. There is a hole right through, and look, there is water everywhere. And obviously we know it from the school days that if there is water in electric stuff, it's more than likely it's gonna be fucked. So I think I'm gonna dry it out. I'm gonna seal these holes up. Look, there's actually one on here as well. This is a really shit design, probably another way of BMW. To seal this hole up, you can use either sealant. I haven't got any to hand, so I'm just gonna use some super glue gel, and this will seal any cracks. To be on the safe side, I'm also gonna put some sellotape over it. If your light is clear, obviously it's not ideal, but I'm gonna put mesh over it so you won't be able to see it anyway. So just make sure that it's completely sealed this way. So hopefully no water will get through it anymore.